Today we're going to talk about how to create a no-waste chicken or turkey feeder. Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. Whenever we first got chickens and they grew up and were ready to move into the big coop, we had a lot of food waste and we couldn't figure out what to do to fix that. I would dump a bag of food in here for the chickens, and within a half a day it would be all over the floor. And that is not okay. We have chickens so that way they can provide us with meat and eggs out on the homestead, not so that way we can spend our hard-earned money trying to feed them and having them waste it. So my husband and I came up with this really simple and easy way to create a no-waste feeder. First, you want to start with one of these feeders. You can get them at your local Tractor Supply, Rural King, Buckeye, whichever barn, farm, supply place you have near you. Then you're going to need some chicken wire. Whenever you get these, they're not always in one piece, and whenever we got ours, they were not. The top comes off very, very simple. You just twist it off and it pops right off. Then the bottom, you're going to take your chicken wire and lay it over the bottom of your feeder. As you can see, there is a lip. You're going to cut your chicken wire to fit perfectly inside this lip. You really want to be careful of the sharp edges for your chickens. If there are any sharp edges exposed after you push your chicken wire in here, your chickens will hurt themselves. So make sure that you cut your chicken wire so that way it fits securely underneath this lip. Then what you're going to do is simply pop this white top back on and fill it with feed. The chicken wire stops your chickens from being able to scratch out all of this food in here. It acts as a barrier so that way if they want to stand on here, and trust me, even though it's just tied to the ceiling with a rope, they will figure out how way to stand on here and eat. So this way, whenever they stand on here, they can't scratch it out because this chicken wire is over the food and it forces them to put their beaks in between the chicken wire and get their food and eat. And we have not had one drop of waste using this method ever since. So here is our hanging 22-pound feeder for our chicks and our turkeys. As you can see, there is chicken wire all around the entire thing. And no chicken food on the floor. So we just dump our food in the top like normal. And down here at the bottom, it stays below the chicken wire and the chickens can't scratch it out. So there you go. No waste, do it yourself, fix to your chicken feeder. Share your thoughts with me. Tell me some of the ways you DIY fixed your chicken feeder to make it no waste. I would love to see your setups, your videos. Please leave them all down in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.